Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we have a new recipe for you, and that is, before I say that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Today we have three type of evening snacks, and they are brinjal, onion, potato bajjis. If you ever need a evening snack, you must try this for sure. So let's get started. This is the end of the video. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.